What are some of the tactics, tools you and your team are deploying on a daily basis? You mentioned value stream mapping, the perspective on lean, but what else you and your team leverage on a daily basis?
Well, we're in the middle of rolling out what we call the Vertiv operating system, or VOS. It's obviously modeled after the Toyota production system, but we took a big page out of the Honeywell playbook and looked at the Danaher system as well, and started in the beginning of this year to roll out a common system across all of our footprint globally, and that is in flight right now. We have pilot facilities, one in Mexico, one in Europe, that we're in right now launching. And so as we look at some of the basics, I mean, they're the lean principles. They're 5S, they're value stream mapping, they're Kaizen events, they're dedicated resources. It's back to our earlier discussion. It's the basic lean tools. And if I put it in a wrap around the whole thing, I think the big difference is it all comes back to the culture of the organization and extending that thinking beyond just the plant floor. And so one of the things that we're, I think, fairly unique in is that we also look at the functional organization and how we can provide lean tools to clearly supply chain, but how about finance and HR and the other parts of the organization, engineering, how much work has been done out there to look at lean thinking in those organizations. And so that's something that we learned from Honeywell, and we're definitely modeling that in our system, and we think there's a lot of opportunity there. So there might be some unique thinking.